Let's start with some terminology. Generative artificial intelligence, or AI. This is any type of AI that can be used to create new text, images, video, audio, code, or synthetic data. Let's see some examples. Dolly is another AI product created by OpenAI, and this will generate images for you based on descriptive text that you provide. Let's say we want an oil painting of a cat in space with a cup of coffee. Let's see what we get. And ta-da, there we go. There's our cat in an oil painting style. Or maybe something a little bit more relevant to real life. Let's do a photo of a man wearing a t-shirt, walking in a city, looking at his phone. And there we go. So a really great example of generative AI for images specifically. There are also tools for audio and music. Here's just one example, XGlite Music. Let's say we need a specific soundtrack for a video we're creating or a game or something like that. So maybe we want to do travel is our scene. It should be a happy mood. And for genre, let's go with cinematic. And we'll say create music. And here's some brand new music based on the input that we've entered here. We can also adjust things like the tempo, maybe bump that up to a 1. We can change the melody, backing, and a lot of other things here. Okay. So those are just a couple of examples. There's tons and tons of these tools that are popping up everywhere using AI to create new or novel content. So that's basically what generative AI is. I do want to spend just a second contrasting that with another type of machine learning, or AI, that you might be familiar with that's used pretty extensively today, and that's discriminative AI. This type of AI analyzes or categorizes existing data. It can solve problems like determining if a transaction is fraudulent. So you feed in data like a merchant, amount of a transaction, where the transaction took place, for example, and this type of model can tell you that yes, this looks like fraud, or no, it doesn't. Or image recognition is another common example, like recognizing handwritten digits. We input a handwritten 2, we iterate through various layers of that to pick up the patterns in that number, and then we say, aha, that looks like a 2. So again, just analyzing or categorizing existing data. That might be what you're thinking about when you think AI or ML, but generative AI is a whole new category that's creating or generating new novel content.